Welcome back. MLA Carlos Almeida has flung into action mode and has assured Vasco cars of regular water supply from February onwards. Prudent had raised this issue through a special report highlighting how the port town is hit by water scarcity. People had slammed the local MLA of being incompetent. Carlos Almeida, along with PWD officials, inspected the 5,000 cubic meter master balancing reservoir at INS Gomantak.
Prudent had reported the water woes faced by Vasco cars in the mid of Christmas celebrations. They had lashed local MLA Carlos Almeida of being laid back on people-oriented issues. Now the MLA along with PWD officials visited the MBR at INS Gomantak. The work of master balancing reservoir at INS Gomantak is going on for almost 7 years. After inspection and discussions with officials, MLA assured that water supply problem in Vasco will be solved by February end.
See, this project was proposed by Mr. Allegar when he was the MLA, and then it is still not seen the light of the day. So then we are following up the project, and then we are trying to expecting to start it by like mid-February.
The problem of Vasco cars for water shortage, it will be fulfilled.
So this is partially now like some additional items have to be purchased and have to be done. So by mid-February we expect things to to ease down.
The Vasco cars will ease the problem of water.
By mid-February, the problem is settled at Vasco. So I am requesting people to bear with us.
MBR जो असा केन्नापासून कंप्लीट जातली?
आमी सध्या त्याची एक लायन थोडी कनेक्शन करपाची उरली ते काम चालू आसा. By this month end, probably by first week of February we will commission this line. And main म्हणजे ते राइट्स टेस्टिंग आसा, water testing आसा, ते चालू आसा. ते water testing जातकीर we will commission the line as early as possible.
Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Goa coach Dodda Ganesh is hoping that Lady Luck smiles on his boys during the upcoming one-day tournament. According to the former Test cricketer, Goa did not get the rub of the green in the 4-day format, where Goa finished a disappointing 6th in the group. Ganesh believes that the disappointment of the longer format will not weigh on the upcoming tournament, as the limited overs format is a different ball game altogether.
After finishing the 8-game 4-day format without a single victory, Goa boys looked disappointed with their performance. Although remaining unbeaten throughout the tournament, Goa coach Dodda Ganesh was not happy with how the boys fared in the India's premium domestic competition. Goa will now host the South Zone one-day tournament where top teams like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka will be in action. Coach Dodda Ganesh is gearing up for his next challenge.
The one-day format is a different ball game. And first we need to have a camp. Then I need to have a screening test. Then camp want to see how boys is playing. Then we want to have match simulation. Then only we can go like what earlier only I was more confident.
Known to be a serious coach who means what he says, Ganesh is still hurting that his team could not proceed to the next round of 4-day Ranji format.
Earlier I said I want to qualify and we want to Ranji trophy. That one I'll take back that word. It couldn't happen. So luck was in not favor. I'll ask God at least give some luck for at least 1 day. I got a confident to see whenever I played cricket, came to win. I'll give more than 100%. So whenever I play, I look forward to win the competition. At least these two competition is there. Subhai play and 1 day. At least I hope my boys, they'll give something back to Goa Cricket Association because of they given us everything, especially Secretary Chetan sir and President. They given everything. See for them, they did administrative part. They did everything because we couldn't give back them something with like a championship or anything. At least we're looking forward next Subhai play on 1 day.
Bureau Report Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.